Untrusted system file, steamclient64.dll, usually appears when an anti-cheat, EAC, BattlEye, Vanguard blocks Steam files. Steam files are corrupted or modified. Windows Security Antivirus flags Steam. Steam is running with wrong permissions. Below are working fixes, safe plus legit. Do them in order. Fix 1, restart Steam properly, important. 1, close Steam completely. 2, open Task Manager. 3, end all Steam processes. 4, restart PC. 5, open Steam as administrator. Sometimes this alone fixes it. Fix 2, repair Steam files most effective. 1, close Steam. 2, press Win-R. 3, paste this and press Enter. You can see the code in our conversation history at 4. Let it finish. 5, restart PC. This repairs steamclient64.dll automatically. Fix 3, verify Steam client files. When open Steam, 2, click Steam, top left, Settings. 3, go to Downloads. 4, click Clear Download Cache. 5, log in again. Steam will recheck core files. Fix 4, add Steam to antivirus exclusions. Your antivirus may be blocking the DLL, Windows Security. 1, open Windows Security. 2, virus and threat protection through Manage Settings. 4, exclusions, add exclusion. 5, add Steam folder. You can see the code in our conversation history. Do not download random DLLs from the internet. Fix 5, update/repair anti-cheat. If error appears while launching a game, for easy anti-cheat 1, go to game folder. To open easy anti-cheat setup.exe. 3, click repair service. For BattlEye, reinstall the game or launch game once as administrator. Fix 6, check Windows system files. 1, open command prompt admin. 2, run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC. This fixes system-level trust issues. Fix 7. Last option, reinstall Steam game safe. 1, backup Steam apps folder. 2, uninstall Steam. 3, download fresh Steam from official site. 4, paste Steam apps back. 5, login done. Why this error happens. Short truth. Anti-cheat trusts signed plus original Steam files. Any mismatch equals blocked DLL. Not a virus, not a hack, just security verification.